When we study logic in this class, we first review the parts of an argument, the two ways they can go bad, and then study about 20 informal fallacies like ad hominem, slippery slope, post hoc, and the composition fallacy. We then study formal fallacies, which can be grasped with this example. It is always fallacious to infer that all B are A from all A are B. And you can see that with this example. All cats are animals, so all animals are cats. That's obviously fallacious, a bad argument. Any argument that takes that form, all A are B, therefore all B are A, is fallacious. We then learn some harder fallacious forms, like if A, then B, B, therefore A. That's called affirming the consequent fallacy. Just plug in something for A and B and you'll see that it's fallacious. So if you study formal or symbolic logic, you immediately know an argument in that form is bad, whereas the majority of people will struggle with the content of the argument. So in one study, 67% of people get this type of argument wrong in IQ tests and entrance exams. So that is one benefit to studying logic. Learning logical concepts and vocabularies is also a great way to discover truths, clarify your ideas, have more meaningful debates and dialogues, avoid being manipulated, and it's also the mark of a well-educated person. For some students, it can be dry to study logic, but keep in mind that it's like sharpening an axe. It's a tool that will help you in all areas of your life for the rest of your life. So check out my old logic videos for more.